Remove all parts and material from the box and check if there are any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel into board B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, N, O, Q. Install Minifix Bolt onto board A. C, D, E, F, I, K, L, M, N, P. Always ensure the arrow on Minifix cam facing whole of the board. We will be using the following method up to step 17. Attach board B with board C and D using Minifix. Attach board I and J with board K. Attach board E and F with board H. Attach the previous board with board A. Attach board G to board I. Attach the previous board onto board A. Attach board B, C, D onto board A. Tighten it using CSK SCREW M5. Attach board M with board O and board Q. Attach board N to board O and Q. Put on board L. Attach board Y using nail. Here you can choose to place the cabinet left or right. Attach the cabinet onto the table using CSK SCREW M5. Install board P to cabinet. Install hinges on board R. Attach board R with table through the hinges. For hinges adjustment, please to the video attached at the top right corner. Congratulations, you have assembled your writing table.